STRAAM Group presents Structural Commissioning. New buildings are often commissioned through inspection or testing to ensure their mechanical systems are working properly. During construction, inspectors or commissioning agents check the plumbing, HVAC, fire protection, and other systems to compare their performance to the requirements from codes or from manufacturers. This ensures quality and safety. But rarely are buildings measured for their structural capacity due to the time and high cost involved. But now, the building's structural performance and capacity can be accurately measured using structural commissioning techniques much more quickly and at a much lower cost. This ensures quality and safety of the structure. What is structural commissioning? It is a simple test for a structure to assess capacity. It's like a health check for a building. Its capacity reflects how much the building moves to forces. It compares the measured performance to the structural performance requirements in the building codes. It is the most advanced and accurate form of measuring a building's structural performance characteristics. Two buildings may appear the same, but one can be significantly weaker. Then it will move more and get damaged easier from the same force. You can only tell which is weaker if it's measured. Why is it needed? Building codes require a certain level of capacity. Structural commissioning validates that the building does or doesn't meet that goal and by how much. Ignoring a building's capacity can put others at risk. And we know there are many weak buildings out there, and construction defects are common. Here's how it works. Dynamic measurements are taken at various parts of the building using advanced technology for just a few hours. Sensors are placed in the appropriate areas to collect data. It is non-invasive and does not disrupt occupants or workers. The measurements are processed to establish the building's as-is structural performance characteristics. This performance is compared to code minimum requirements and other performance metrics. When should it be done? It can occur when a building is being built, when it's completed, or any time during life of the structure. Structural commissioning measures the initial structural capacity, and follow-up measurements can track changes as it degrades over time. It can even be done in real time with continuous monitoring. What problem does this solve? It solves the dilemma of uncertainty. Uncertainty whether a building is weak or not, which implies if it was built correctly and if it is safe or not, and if it is deteriorating. Weak buildings have larger maintenance costs, and they get damaged more easily to wind and seismic events. Weak buildings pose a greater risk. Who benefits from structural commissioning? Building departments, to ensure the building was built as designed. It is fundamental to the inspection process. Engineers, to ensure their design was built correctly. Contractors, to show they did their job properly. Owners, to make sure they are getting the quality and safety they paid for. Insurers, to make sure they understand the risk for each structure. Financial institutions, to ensure they put money to work wisely. Everyone benefits from structural commissioning, and it makes the world a better, safer place.